The evolution of modern electric vehicle is incomplete without mentioning Tesla. The Model 3 played a key role in the company's ascent to the top by popularizing EVs through its useful features. Nevertheless, the vehicle is set to get much better when Tesla introduces its updated Model 3, which the rest of the industry didn't see coming. While making its initial steps, Tesla may have made a few mistakes. Still, with the Model 3, which has become the best-selling electric vehicle ever, the firm has gotten more than a few things right. Despite being Tesla's entry-level vehicle, customers have noted that the Model 3 seems comparably high quality and useful to the larger Model S. The Model 3 is also large enough for 4 adults to travel comfortably. When combined with amazing refinement, it's a relaxing car to spend time in, as well as being quick. Even though it is much more expensive, the performance model may outperform many supercars. The Model 3 includes the same innovative battery technology, potent electric motors, and cutting-edge onboard systems as the Model S sedan and Model X SUVs. The Model 3's unassuming appearance on the outside makes it easy for it to go unnoticed. Still, the interior's focus on bears and lack of any other modern amenities save for a huge touchscreen screen that controls almost everything contrast the exterior's well-sculpted design. Another intriguing feature of the Model 3 line is how simple it is to understand because there are only 3 available variations. Rear-wheel drive, which powers the rear wheels with a single electric motor, is the standard mode of transportation. The performance variant is the most expensive model. At the same time, the long-range all-wheel drive employs a larger battery for more extended driving range. Compared to the base model, it performs better, has a longer driving range, and has a second electric motor for 4-wheel drive. It goes without saying that it is the best performance out of the 3. However, Tesla has decided it's time to update its entry-level vehicle and has launched Project Highland. The Model Y was built on the Model 3's chassis and frame, which had a lot of pieces. Still, Tesla switched to a more effective casting design that increased structural strength and safety while reducing extra parts and speeding up production. People following CEO Elon Musk's statement would have known it was only a matter of when, not if the Model 3 would get the same casting update as the Model Y. However, Musk explained why it seemed his company was dragging its feet on refreshing the Model 3. Unsurprisingly, it was not a technical issue but a financial one. The Model 3 has been a bestseller for Tesla, so pausing to update it is a challenge. Musk compared it to changing the wheels on a bus going at 80 miles per hour. He didn't want to risk the company's cash cow. However, the boss has predicted the Model Y will overtake the Model 3 in sales volume, giving Tesla leeway to upgrade to the cheaper EV. It is a complicated process as the manufacturing process has to be changed along with retrofitting the production factory. All these must happen without disrupting the current Model 3 production. Musk gave one of the conditions then it would be time to update the Model 3 is that both Giga Berlin and Giga Texas are operational milestones Tesla passed this year. Both plants have been producing the Model Y for months, making deliveries. Both are also ramping up seriously with Tesla importing its China boss, Tom Zhu, to work his magic in Texas for production to pick up. Of course, Tesla refreshed the Model 3 before an update in October 2020. Still, the majority of the changes that were implemented were minor: a new center console, new door panels, a power truck, new wheels and headlights, and several other iterative changes were among them. But Project Highland promises to be more extensive, and buyers can look forward to exciting changes. Tesla owners are used to receiving over-the-air updates that, even though they make the car better, cannot be seen as they are not physical. Project Highland would involve Model 3 improvements that would reduce the number of components and the complexity of the car's interior. The redesign will also prioritize features that Tesla buyers value the most, such as the infotainment system. The Model 3 revamp also includes exterior and powertrain performance updates. The updated all-electric sedan would be manufactured at Tesla's Fremont factory and Gigafactory in Shanghai, where the Model 3 is currently manufactured. The improvement will incorporate some of the innovations introduced in Model Y into Model 3. So far, several factories have ramped up production of the Model Y with key innovations such as front and rear mega casts. Gigatex's units are even outfitted with the company's structural battery packs. Given that the Model Y and Model 3 are mass-market vehicles for Tesla, it would not be surprising if the all-electric sedan's redesign included innovations such as using megacast and structural battery packs. Tesla has many reasons for wanting to switch to the megacasting method as soon as possible. The method is faster, which will save money and time. It is also a less complicated production method as it involves fewer parts to deal with, which saves money and time. The new Model 3 made from casting will also have enhanced safety as the car will be more rigid. However, for the owner, the change in production method may not affect the driving experience. Speaking of upgrading the car's appearance, there is a dilemma involved. Consider other automakers like Honda, which has been making the Civic for years. Even 10 years ago, the models of 2022 were significantly different. Should Tesla follow suit and make significant exterior changes to the Model 3? There will be some who support it and others who oppose it. Of course, there will be many who don't care about how anything appears on the exterior. This would undoubtedly divide Tesla's fan base. Tesla is taking it easy with exterior changes though. Model Y, for example, has seen many revisions but remains largely the same. All it has done to the performance car is modernize the front bumper and change the old nose cone. Looking at the Model 3 itself, Tesla has removed the chrome parts. It may be time for a massive overhaul. Well, the answer might be right here, as prototypes of the revamped Model 3 are already being spotted around California. Of course, Tesla didn't forget to enshroud the prototypes, knowing people were more than ready to snap pictures and post them on the internet. The model spotted in Santa Cruz has several covers including across the front bumper, hood, front water panels, trunk, rear bumper, and rear quarter panels. Essentially every part of the car except the cabin was covered. However, no amount of cover-up can truly conceal what the car looks like. Given that the Model 3's headlights, tail lights, and bumpers where sensors are usually installed were completely covered, it may mean Tesla is working on several projects. While it may be done for show, it's unlikely. One of the most notable observations from the initial photos was the possible inclusion of a camera in one of the front headlights. Still, it also looks suspiciously like a button that would snap the protective covers into place now. Tesla already offers many color options, but we won't be surprised if a new color option launches with a revamped car. Even if Tesla is trying to keep as much information about the Model 3 secret, the company is busy preparing for when production commences. Tesla has applied for several Model 3 line revisions in Fremont. Overall, the Fremont factories, the GA3 or General Assembly Model 3 portion will reorganize for at least the next few months. The temporary tents will house a Model 3 body fitting and light repair operations. Other preparations that show the revamped Model 3 is almost here include demolishing brake and roll equipment on Model 3 lines while providing a temporary floor cover for the pit where the equipment is stored or supporting electric and mechanical utilities that will also be demolished. Roll and brake vehicle systems that simulate real-world road conditions provide precise results for vehicle performance in a production environment. Tesla plans to produce the new Model 3 in the US, China, and Germany. Since the car will get a structural battery like the Model Y, it will get the new 4680 battery. And on the battery front, Tesla is making massive progress as well. Because of the anticipated ramp up in production, Tesla is doing everything possible to speed up its battery manufacturing. Debugging the procedure has taken a lot of work, but the results are already showing. A recent achievement revealed by Tesla on its Twitter page demonstrates that it is moving in the right direction. The company was celebrating completing the production of 868,000 cell units of the 4680 battery within 7 days, sufficient for 1,000 cars worth of batteries. The record was completed with just the company's initial 4680 manufacturing lines, although it could seem like a little achievement compared to Tesla's operations. However, there's nothing to be ashamed of. There are presently 4,680 cells manufactured by Tesla's pilot line at Katy Road near the Fremont factory. Gigatexas also has a 4,680 line. When this line is fully operational, the number of cells produced will soar. For the 4,680 batteries needed to update the Model 3, Tesla will have several suppliers. A battery pilot plant is also being built by Samsung SDI in South Korea. The updated Model 3 will still provide the same benefits, if not more. Customers will be able to swiftly recharge their batteries outside by making use of the fast supercharger world. Additionally, the infotainment system will offer games, streaming and playing of videos, excellent audio quality, and more. Excellent navigation systems, climate control, plenty of head and leg room, autopilot FSD, and more will be available for users. For cargo, there is still plenty of room. So when can we anticipate the updated Model 3? According to most reports, the updated Model 3 will start manufacturing in 2023. However, given that Tesla has been providing discounts on the existing Model 3, it is evident that production is almost complete. These price cuts offered in China and the US will encourage customers to place their orders immediately rather than wait until the new Model 3 is released. That is our video for today. We hope you like it. Will you purchase the brand new 2023 Tesla Model 3? Share all of your thoughts with us in the comment section below. Well, that's all for now. This is Big Tech Media. See you again tomorrow. Keep in mind to like, share, and subscribe.